All right, I think we're live. I think we're good to go. And welcome. This is Josh Schoenly, co-founder of Client Alchemist. And what I'm going to do in this video is going to walk you through a seller campaign that I created on Friday that was created in with the purpose or the intent of getting the most motivated sellers in my target area to raise their hand and self-identify that they are motivated. And this strategy is one that I stole from my buddies Michael Reese and Woods Davis over at Digital President. So credit where credit is due. What I'm going to do in a minute is walk you through the actual campaign start to finish. But the bigger picture here is that this strategy, the concept here, you can leverage in many fashions, not just with sellers, not just on Facebook. There are lots of opportunities, lots of ways that you can leverage this concept, this idea, okay? And so I want to break that down for you. But first, we're going to walk through the campaign and those results. The results were just okay. They weren't as good as I was hoping, but I learned a ton, and I want to share that with you as well. So let's go ahead and go to screen share mode, and let's find the right thing here. That's not right. Bear with me. Let's get rid of this guy here. All right. So here's the campaign. It was a Facebook campaign, and it was a lead ad campaign. I actually ran a link click campaign as well, and we can even, if you're interested, we can check that out as well. But the one I wanted to unpack here was the lead ad campaign, okay? And so far I've spent about $43, generated 4 leads, which isn't, the cost per lead on that is a little bit on the high end, but when you see the amount of information that people are sharing with me, I think it's going to be a big aha, because the simple fact that someone is willing to go through all the hoops that I've set in their path indicates that they have real motivation and a real interest in the offer that's being made. Okay, so let's unpack the campaign. So let's look at the actual ad first. So we'll open that up and we'll click on preview. Let's open that up. So as I mentioned, this is a survey. The idea is presenting a survey. And so you can see the text here. Take the 2019 Hampton Township Homeownership Survey. Just click Learn More below. Okay, just click Learn More below. And when you complete the survey, we'll be happy to send you the following free gifts: a free report with all the homes that have sold in Hampton Township so far in 2019, a special report with 10 ways to make your house show like a model home in one weekend for less than $200, and our exclusive ebook on how to sell your house for top dollar fast. Just click Learn More below to take the survey. And then what I've done here is, and this is a big one, because when we're doing these kinds of campaigns on Facebook or just on social media in general, the images that we use are critical. And so this is an image that I created with Canva, where I took pictures of the signs or marquees for, in this case, I think it's 30. Yeah, it's 6 by 5, 30 of the neighborhoods in Hampton Township. Now, Hampton Township is where I live, and it's my target farm area, okay? So I actually, just as I've been running errands and going about town, I'll pop out and I'll get a picture of these, and I put it together, again, with canva.com. It's free. They have a paid version, but you can do lots of cool stuff with the free version, just like this. So I put this image together, and I think it's one of the reasons why this is getting so many clicks, because we haven't even unpacked that fact. But the amount of people clicking on this tells me that we have a winner of an offer. It just might need some tweaks to it to really get it dialed in. And then below the image, it says 2019 Hampton Township Home Ownership Survey, Learn More. So what happens when we click Learn More? Let's find out together. So we click on Learn More, and it's a pop-up, because that's what a Facebook lead ad is. It's a integrated lead capturing mechanism. Basically, it's an integrated lead form or capture page right on Facebook, okay? Now, look at this. We're asking 4 questions. 4 questions. Are you planning on selling your home in the next 12 months? Okay. That indicates motivation, intent. Do you know anyone looking to move in the next 12 months? Do you think Hampton Township homes will rise in the next 12 months? Are you interested in investing in real estate locally in the next 12 months or less? And then it's got it pre-populated with information. Now, this information is not accurate because we have to test these forms a lot because we create these for my own business and for other clients of ours. So what would normally happen is my actual information here would be pre-populated. And after they complete their answers, well, I'm not even going to bother with that. After they complete their answers, they click submit. Okay. And at that stage, well, actually, I'll just go ahead and click submit. Whoop, I forgot. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. I don't know. Doesn't matter. We click submit. And then it says, thanks for taking the survey. We'll be sending your Hampton Township home sold report and the 2 free gifts as promised ASAP. And then my information. And there's the ability for them to actually call me right then and there if they are so inclined. Now, of the 4 leads that have come through so far, 2 of them said, yes, they are thinking about selling. And 2 of them said, yes, they also know someone who's thinking about selling. Okay. So even though the cost per lead is on the high end, that's pretty awesome, all things considered, where I've got 2 people for $43 who are motivated enough to complete that full survey and tell me that they are thinking about selling their home in the next 12 months. And the reality is, if they're saying that in the next 12 months, based upon the time of year that I'm recording this video, it's probably going to happen sooner than later because the spring market and the summer market, right? That's where it's at. So let's dig into some more of the numbers here, because here's why I'm so excited. Like the numbers, the actual results so far, they're just so, right? Still pretty exciting, but here's what's really, really exciting, okay? It doesn't have it here. Let me see if it has it at the ad set level. Yeah, so here's what's crazy exciting to me. 69 people clicked the learn more button. 69 people, only 4 completed a survey. So here's what I'm going to test, and I'll be reporting back to you on a similar video like today, which incidentally, if you would like that update, make sure that you subscribe to these videos and check in. I'm going to tweak the survey to see if we can get that number higher, right? Because if we can get that number higher, if we can double the amount of people that submitted the form, well, now we just cut our cost per lead in half. But this tells me that we have a winning ad. We have a winning offer, okay? For that many people to have clicked, something about this is really, really resonating. And I can guess why. It's super congruent. It's a survey, which people like to take surveys. There are bribes to get them to complete the survey. So there's a lot going on in our favor here that would indicate why it's working. We just need to tweak it a little bit. Let's also, since I brought it up, I'll show you the link click. So this was the same idea, but it wasn't run as a lead ad. We actually built a landing page with a survey form on it, and we drove traffic to it. So what the language here is pretty much the same. The only thing that's different is that when someone clicks learn more, they're taken to a landing page instead of the lead form that pops up in the other one. Here's again why I know this is a winning offer, because for me to get someone to click that link was costing less than 20 cents. And because of all of the other things that we've got in play here, our new retargeting plan and roadmap that I'll be sharing here on these kind of lives in the coming days and weeks, and some of the other pieces of the puzzle, I know that those people that clicked here, I'm going to be able to pull them back, to call them back, and get the ones that are most motivated to call me, to email me, to text me, to connect with me, and give me the opportunity to list their home. Okay, getting a little ahead of myself. So when they click on this link, this is what comes up. It's a survey, and as they answer questions, these pop up. From this, I got 4 leads as well, And what was the cost on that? Bear with me here. I think it's bogged down because I'm recording as we go here. Let's get rid of this here. Come on, Facebook. Well, as that's loading, let me say this. If this kind of stuff excites you, if you like this kind of stuff, if you're looking for a way to get more listings, leveraging social media, Facebook, Instagram, and the like, then you definitely should check out 5xlistings.com. 5xlistings.com. It's a free class that we put together for you, sharing the formula that we have crafted and honed over time that clients of ours are using with tremendous results. In fact, one of the fellows, the stories that I share early on in that class is how he had so many listings, more than he had ever had, thanks to us, that he actually had to turn down his marketing so he could get caught up. It's a pretty good problem to have. I think you would agree. I don't know why this is not coming up here, but definitely I would highly encourage you to check that out, 5xlistings.com. Okay, now here it came back up, and we're going to come in for a landing soon. If you like this, let me know. Hit the like button. Comment below, and if somebody who's watching wouldn't mind, if you can get to it before I do, if you could put that URL in the comments, 5xlistings.com, that would be awesome and would be greatly appreciated. So this one was $21, and I got 4 leads from that one as well. And here's the other like indicator that this is a winning concept, a winning offer. The relevant score of 10, a relevant score of 10. The range is 0 to 10. So this is a perfect relevance score. What does that mean? That means that Facebook is going to give this campaign preferential treatment versus other marketers. So we've got a great offer. We just need to tweak the survey so that we can collect and connect with more of those interested parties. So again, if you like this kind of stuff, check out 5xlistings.com and be sure to check in often, because I'm going to make some tweaks to this, and then I'll report back in a few days how those tweaks have affected, hopefully positively affected those results. Again, if you like this, let me know. If you found it valuable, I certainly would appreciate it if you would share with others in our community, and check out the class, 5xlistings.com, and hopefully we'll talk again real soon.